Hello, this is Dr. Christy Patton-Lukes, a chemical engineering professor at Missouri S&T. In this video lesson, it's going to be a really quick example to show you how to create a run button for a file in Visual Basic. So let's just start by opening up our Visual Basic tab, and I'm going to insert a new module. This time I'm going to sub junk. It doesn't really going to do anything, and I will just have it create a message box. Okay, and if I run this, it creates this little box over here that says hello. Okay, so that's all this does. But if I want to run it, I don't want to have to go in to my list of macros or go into the Visual Basic Developer tab. What I really would like to do is just be able to, while I'm in the spreadsheet, run the program. So there's this insert on the Developer tab, and there's all sorts of different controls here. And today we're just going to do this button. So it's called a form, but it's a button. And so I'm going to put a button in here, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. And so you draw the size out using your mouse, and then find the macro that you want it to be attached to. All right, so I want it to go to junk. It's the only macro I actually have. If I don't click anything, if I just accept the default, I'll then have to write the macro that goes with it later. But I have a macro existing, so junk, I'm going to say OK. And then I don't really want it to say button 1, so I can come in here and I can edit this and just type whatever I want. I can resize it at this point. You can also actually do things like change colors and formats. You can play with it yourself. But once I click out of it, it now is an active button. And so now when I push this button, I run the program. So that's how you create a run button in your work. And so that's all I had for this video. Thank you very much for your time.